Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best non-toxic coffee maker you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many non-toxic coffee maker and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each non-toxic coffee maker so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a non-toxic coffee maker. First, focus on the materials that come in contact with your coffee. Choose coffee makers made with stainless steel, glass, or BPA-free plastic to avoid harmful chemicals. Second, check the heating element and internal parts to ensure they are lead-free and do not leach metals into your drink. Third, consider the filter type. Use metal or unbleached paper filters for a cleaner, safer brew. Also, make sure the coffee maker is easy to clean, since residue buildup can affect safety and taste. Finally, look for certifications or brand transparency about materials and safety standards. These details help you find a truly non-toxic coffee maker that supports your health and the environment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.